Hello children, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am fine too. Thank you. ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલવાની મજા આવે છે ને?
Yes.
ચાલો હસતા રમતા આપનો આ ઇંગ્લિશ ક્લાસ આપણે આગળ વધાવીએ. In the last class you learned about attendance chart. તમે પૂછ્યું were you present on Monday, were you present on Tuesday અને સરસ attendance chart બનાવ્યો. અચ્છા જ્યારે કોઈ એબસન્ટ હોય છે તો એને પૂછવાનું મન થાય છે ખરું કે તું ક્યાં હતો કે તું ક્યાં હતી એ દિવસે?
Yes.
ચાલો લેટ્સ વોચ ધીસ સોંગ અને પૂછીએ where were you?
Where were you on Sunday? Where were you on Sunday? I was on the farm. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? I was at the fair. Where were you last night? Where were you last night? I was in the hospital. Where were you last week? Where were you last week? I was at the zoo.
સોંગમાં બહુ મજા આવી નહીં?
Yes.
અચ્છા મને તો બધાને પૂછવામાં બહુ મજા આવે છે કે તે ક્યાં હતા. Let us see where Heath was last night. So was he in the hospital?
No. Circus.
Yes. Heath તો સર્કસમાં મજા કરવા ગયો હતો. So Heath was at the circus last night. ચલો હવે આ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપણે આ ટેબલમાં ભરી દઈએ. Let us see this table. We have 3 columns: who, where and when. હવે આ સેન્ટેન્સ છે Heath was at the circus last night. તો whoના કોલમમાં શું આવશે? Who was at the circus? Heath. So what will we put here? We will put in Heath. હવે Heath ક્યાં હતો? At the circus. તો whereની કોલમમાં શું આવશે? We will have at the circus. And when was he at the circus? Last night. ગઈકાલે રાતે સર્કસમાં ગયો હતો. ઓકે હવે જો who was next?
Vandana.
Yes, Vandana. And where was she આજે સવારે?
At the post office.
Yes, she went there to buy postcards. So Vandana was at the post office today morning. હવે whoના કોલમમાં શું આવશે?
Vandana.
Yes, who was at the post office? Vandana. And where was Vandana today morning? At the post office. So let's put at the post office here. અને ક્યારે ગઈ હતી post office? Today morning. So we will put today morning in this column. When? Today morning. પછી where was Vandana yesterday? બોલો.
On her farm.
Yes, Vandana was on her farm yesterday. So what will come in the who column? Who? Vandana. So we will put Vandana again over here. Where was Vandana yesterday? She was on her farm. And When was she on her farm? Yesterday. Now let's see where Dr. Shah was last week. Last week she was in a meeting. Dr. Shah was in a meeting last week. What will you write in the who column?
Dr. Shah.
Yes. Who was in the meeting? Dr. Shah. And where was she last week?
In a meeting.
In a meeting. So we have in a meeting in the where column. And when was Dr. Shah in a meeting? Chalo, chalo, jaldi bolo.
Today morning.
Today morning. Today morning she was in a hospital.
Last week.
Yes, last week. So we'll have last week in the when column. Now, where was Dr. Shah in the morning? She was in the hospital. Dr. Shah was in the hospital today morning. So, in the who column, we will again have Dr. Shah. Where was Dr. Shah? In the hospital. And when was Dr. Shah in the hospital? Today morning. So let's put today morning under when. Now let's see who's in the next interview. Tell me.
Mr. Waghela.
No, it's not Mr. Waghela, it is Mrs. Waghela. And where was she?
Farm.
Yes, she was on her farm. She was on her farm. And when?
On Sunday.
On Sunday. Yes, so Mrs. Waghela was on her farm on Sunday. So what will we put for who? Who was on the farm?
Mrs. Waghela.
Yes, so who will, under who we will have Mrs. Waghela. And where was she? On her farm. Now Vandana was also on her farm. And Mrs. Waghela was also on her farm. But Vandana was on her farm yesterday. And Mrs. Waghela was on her farm last Sunday. Now let's look at Bharti and Kalpesh. Where were they last week?
On the farm.
No, let's look at the shot.
In the hospital.
Yes, Bharti and Kalpesh were in the hospital. And when?
Last week.
Yes, Bharti and Kalpesh were in the hospital last week. So, what will we put here?
Bharti and Kalpesh.
Yes, very good. And where were Bharti and Kalpesh? In the hospital. Dr. Shah was also in the hospital, but he was there today morning. Bharti and Kalpesh were in the hospital when? Last week. So let us put last week here. And where were Bharti and Kalpesh today morning?
In Mahindra's office.
Yes, they were at Mahindra's office today morning. Bharti and Kalpesh were at Mahindra's office today morning. So, who were at Mahendra's office? Bharti and Kalpesh. So let's put it over here. Where were Bharti and Kalpesh today morning? At Mahendra's office. And when were Bharti and Kalpesh at Mahendra's office? Today morning. So let's put today morning in the when column. When, today morning. Okay, now tell me, who are these people?
Jasmine, Chameli,
Jasmine and Chameli. Very good. And where were they? What is this place?
in the hospital.
Yes, they were in the hospital. Okay, now tell me, when were they in the hospital?
On Sunday.
On Sunday. एक दिवस ही चुकी गया.
Oh, on Monday.
Yes, Jasmine and Chameli were in the hospital on Monday. So now, in the who column, what will we have? Who were in the hospital?
Jasmine and Chameli.
Yes. Jasmine and Chameli. And where were Jasmine and Chameli? In the hospital. Ane, when were Jasmine and Chameli in the hospital? On Monday. So let's put on Monday here.